Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy MC Legacy. In this tutorial today, I'm going to teach you how to check if your TikTok have any restriction. The videos I'll be posting in your TikTok may be the reason why your TikTok is not getting recommended by new people. You notice that when you post, sometimes you get 1,000 views. When you post, sometimes you get lesser view. So this could be the reason why you are not getting more view on TikTok. So you have to do this check. This thing is in all social media. It's on Facebook, is on YouTube, is also on TikTok. So this one, we're talking about TikTok. I'm going to show you, guide you step by step how you are going to check this, because it's very important for you checking if your TikTok is healthy, if your TikTok is okay. Then if your TikTok have some restriction on the videos you be posting, that means it's not going to get recommended by anyone. So let us dive into the video and you are going to see it one after the other. To do is you have to click at this three line here, and when you click there, then you open it. It will show you TikTok Studio, which is here. Then you click in this TikTok Studio. Then when you click in this TikTok Studio, it will open like this. You can be able to see all the whole features in monetization on your TikTok. Then the next thing you will do is you come down here. Here they write account check. So you click this account check and it will start checking your account if you have any restriction or any violation that may be causing you to get low view on your TikTok. So please help me to share this video so that other people will get the information, and give me a like and also a follow. So I'll be doing videos like this at once in a time to show you what you have to do on your social medias if you have issues like this. Okay, can you see it now? Post restricted. So now you see down here, you click, it say 5. I open it, so you can see that this is the post that I made on my this TikTok that have violation. So what I have to do now is to go back. You can click to appeal. You understand? You can click one of the posts, you show you appeal here. So if you don't, here it will show you appeal. So if you don't want to appeal of any of these posts, you can go back, screenshot it, then go and trace all these videos on your TikTok and get rid of them. When you remove it, then the account will come back to normal. So I'm going to go and look for the videos and remove all of them. Then I will show you how the account will look when we do the final check again. You will see. So stay tuned. I have deleted all the whole videos. Now let us check if the account is okay now, or you still need to delete more videos. So you go back to that account check and let us see. So the thing is checking. Let's see what will happen. If you have any other restriction on your TikTok account, it will show you. So it's very important to keep your account healthy. So if you want me to teach you how to verify your account with your document, with your ID, so that it will not just get easy, you see. So the account is in a good starting. So you can see that the account is standard, is good, is healthy. So, and they also tell you thank you for following our community guideline and help us keep TikTok safe. So now in next video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your account with your document, so that you can your account will not just, somebody will not just report it and they will ban the account. Okay, so share this video. I hope you learned something, and share the video. Thank you.